Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Game of Vampires Twilight Sun modded version with unlimited money. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, so let's get right into it and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So first things first, head for Hex Mods. As you can see, they got Game of Vampires Twilight Sun. So just press on it, it should start downloading the modded version. I've already done this, so I'm not going to go through with it, but for you guys, you do have to download it. So be sure to try this out, it's super insane. And if we go to the search bar and type it in, you can see it is super expensive. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in Game of Vampires. Boy, I didn't spell it right, but it might come up. Yeah, it didn't come up. Okay, here's the game. So when we go in-app purchases, you can see it is super expensive. So if you do want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself. It is super insane, bro. Actually works. Look how much money I got. So yeah, this is wild, bro. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. All you got to do is go to Hex Mods, go to search bar, type it in, and it should come right up. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool. And this site actually has a ton of apps and stuff like that. You know, other things on here, which is pretty cool. So if you need a mod or something along those lines, there's a chance it's on this site. And you can see they have all the apps and stuff. And look how much money I got, bro. Dang. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know who invented the mod or anything. I can't really give credit, but I'm just going to tell you it's on Hex Mods. So that's the website where you can download this. So be sure to try it out for yourself. As you can see, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.